Hello, my name is Giorianna Rodriguez. I am going to talk to you about my profession. What is industrial engineering? Industrial engineering is a branch of engineering focused on optimizing systems, process, and organization to make them more efficient, productive, and profitable. Its core aim is to eliminate waste and maximize value. What does an industrial engineer do? An industrial engineer is a system officer. They are responsible for designing and improving process as manufacturing, service, etc. Managing operation and the supply chain, controlling quality, managing projects, improving ergonomics and workplace safety, implementing new technologies. In short, an industrial engineer is a problem solver who seeks the most efficient way to do things across any industry. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.